Can you name the birthplace of Oscar Wilde, George Bernard Shaw, and James Joyce? If you need a hint, it's the capital city of Ireland. That's right, Dublin, Ireland was the birthplace of all three of these prolific and well-known men. No big deal, you say? All right, then. You're also going to have to identify Prague, the capital of Czechoslovakia, which happens to be the site of the Stokowski Theater, where Mozart's Don Giovanni was first performed. And how familiar are you with Vienna, the capital of Austria? It was not only the cultural and social center of 19th century Europe, it was once the home of composers Beethoven, Mozart, Brahms, and Schubert. The continent of Europe provides us with some of the most interesting world history ever recorded. For now, however, you should turn your attention to the geography of Europe. There are 26 European countries and capitals included in this cassette program. There are other European countries which have not been included here, but you're still going to have your hands full. And just so you know, the computer doesn't miss a trick. If you misspell a country or capital, your answer will be recorded as incorrect. So don't be afraid to get out a map of the world and use it as a learning guide if you're not familiar with the geography of Europe. Learning can be fun, so do whatever it takes to have a good time. If trying it cold turkey sounds more appealing, go for it. Whatever you do, don't give up until you can name all 26 countries and capitals. By the way, did you know that Budapest, the capital of Hungary, was actually formed by the incorporation of two cities, Buda and Pest, way back in 1872? Honest.